He's gonna get fucked up if he comes out. I almost want to push up on him.
Yeah, me too.
Ref walking. Ref walking.
Well, I'm watching your right.
Woo! You good over there?
I think you're good. He's behind the, like...
I'm saying, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, he's over here. He's poking out.
Okay, so we're kind of pushing here.
I'm gonna push on him.
Alright, well, I'm
Pushing.
I'm with you.
He's down.
He is?
Yep. I got him under the trailer. He thought he was slick.
There's one more right to the right of the trailer. Oh, hit! Oh, my ass!
Oh, he stuck around our back.
Yeah.
We had nobody looking at our six. Shit!
I was gonna say, once I saw you were gone, I'm like, okay, good.
I was like, where am I getting hit from?
Damn, bro, my ass!
That was kind of funny.
That was pretty good.
He clocked me.